La casa
Vengo adelante, del primer intento. Yeah, that was. Finish.
Still in your sucker. Yeah, in the mouth.
It goes all the way up.
No, in the mouth.
Elephantastic, and we have some Australian tourists, and they are going to share the experience of the Elephantastic in Jaipur number 4, nearby 2 kilometers around the port. And we have the interview from the guest Australia, and they will tell us first about the name and about the experience of the Elephantastic. Please, sir.
Yeah,
What is your good name?
Scott.
So nice to meet you. And what is you want to say and suggest about the Australian tourists who are coming to Jaipur in Elephantastic?
Yeah, look, so far we've really enjoyed the experience. We get to get very close with the elephants.
So you have done some painting on the elephant, and this is your first time experience here?
Yes, yeah. So we had to feed the animals, the elephants, for a little while, and then we got to painting, which was, I think the painting allows you to get a lot closer to the animal and feel a little bit more relaxed around it.
Have you been anywhere else like Thailand or somewhere else where you have done the elephant safari?
Yes, we went to Sri Lanka where we got close to elephants. Where else did we? Yeah, and in Thailand we also.
Okay.
But I think the animals here seem to be a lot more.
Yeah, you are right. In Thailand, the elephant mahout has some sticks and some the things
Yeah.
from which they try to beat the elephant. But here, normally the elephant mahout very easily they take caring the elephant and they look after well the elephants. So
Yeah.
they have 120 elephants in Amber village and city Jaipur. So lots of the work doing now for the elephant take caring from the government as well. What do you want to say? Excuse me. About the
I
Elephantastic?
really like it. It's you get to like hug the elephants and get close to them.
Okay.
You get to feed them and they're very gentle.
Do you want to
Very
tell me
nice.
about the fantastic bumblebee that your dad painted?
It's hard to paint on them. They move a lot.
Okay. And what is your good name? What do you want to say?
My name's Gemma and I've really enjoyed Elephantastic because there's lots of fun animals like elephants and chickens, and the elephants are really friendly and you can feed them and pat them and they really like it, and painting them was one of my favourite parts because I like painting, and they're really gentle.
But you don't afraid from the elephant that the elephant is very close nearby and
No, because they hardly move and
the elephant is species very big but very friendly.
yes.
So if somebody try to harm them, then just they are try to attack. Otherwise, they are very friendly, meeting the people, and they also like the humans very much.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what do you want to say about the Elephantastic and about the experience in city Jaipur? That how you are feeling here from Australia is the different culture, city, and the experience.
Yeah, our family's thoroughly enjoying our visit. This Elephantastic's been great. It's the closest we've probably ever been to elephants. It's nice to see them in the open and without chains.
So, what do you work in Australia for?
What do I work?
Yeah,
I'm a swim coach.
swim coach. So, elephant also do swim here,
Yeah.
and sometimes they get aggressive because here there is some ponds and the very hot weather. So mostly here we have lots of elephants. So now they made the one Elephantastic, or the place here also known as a elephant village. So in elephant village we have a big pond where they also swims here.
Okay.
The elephant is, and also we have the elephant mahout, they cleaning and washing the elephants. So that activity these Elephantastic also provides.
All right. Fantastic.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you all.
You too.
And I hope from Australia we will have more tourists in Elephantastic in Jaipur city, and we have more grow the tourism here. Thank you.
Thank you.
So now we are meeting with Rahul from Elephantastic, and he's going to tell you about something, the journey of his from Elephantastic when he started, and about the all tourists who are very much amazed about the Elephantastic. Please.
I started Elephantastic in 2012 in February 2012, and we just wanted to create a different atmosphere for the animals and for the tourists comes to Jaipur and want to see the animals, especially elephants and natural habitat. That was an idea, and we wanted people to learn about animals and share our knowledge with them.
So there is lots of tourists from different countries comes in Elephantastic, and which kind of services or like the activities you provide here?
Clients come here to learn about elephants, talk to them in their language, feed them, have shower with the animals, go for a walk.
And some painting and food and other
Painting
activities.
is not something that each and everyone have to do. It's just a tradition in Jaipur Royal family to decorate elephants. And if someone is interested, that's fine. But we do not really bother someone that they have to do the
And there is from the time of Maharajas, your family and your forefathers doing this work. So from the long time you are in this trade in tourism sector. So what you want to suggest about the tourists who coming to India? What you want to aware them from?
everyone clients come here, with some not some such a big expectations. One must always do our level best to keep the guest satisfied and give them 100% out of what we can do for them. What's going on from last few days, like few years, and some sort of mishappen with clients and cheatings and all. So this is something gonna ruin this business. The honesty and the services.
This is the fact that many in India the tourists come, but here the people try to make the money very fast from them,
Exactly.
and they want to earn the money, but they don't want to provide the services to tourists, and the tourist goes from here very unhappy experiences, and then the other tourists also, when they heard about this all, so they also think about bad India.
Creates a
But
bad image over and all,
yeah, it's good.
कर भी आओ वो जो दबी